How to use Manuka honey for acne. Manuka honey is a powerful remedy for various kinds of acne, including big painful pimples and tiny pus-filled cysts. Just by applying raw honey on your face daily, you can get brighter and clearer skin, with acne not being red anymore. Why Manuka honey? Because it is full of antioxidants, and is healing, hydrating and antibacterial at the same time. How to use Manuka honey for acne. 1. Face mask. It's the simplest way to use it. Just take a small bowl, and add 1 teaspoon of Manuka honey in it. Scoop up the honey with your clean fingers, and, while slightly leaning over the sink, rub it all over your clean face. Start with a small amount, to avoid honey dripping off your face. Leave it there for 5–10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water first, then tepid water. Pat your face dry, and moisturize if needed. 2. Facial cream. This cream is completely natural, and won't clog your pores. Place 2 tablespoons of shea butter into a bowl, and mash it up with a spoon to make it creamy. After that, add 1 teaspoon of Manuka honey, and 4 drops of tea tree essential oil. Whisk up the ingredients to combine them nicely. Then transfer the mixture into a clean jar. Since the cream will be quite sticky, use only a pea-sized amount, or even less at a time. Apply it on your face in the evening, before going to bed. Cleanse your face thoroughly next morning. 3. Face scrub. This scrub will make your skin clear and smooth. Take 2 teaspoons of soft brown sugar, and dump it onto a small bowl. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and 3 teaspoons of Manuka honey. Mix well all the ingredients, scoop up a small amount with your fingers, and apply onto your skin. Keep it there for 5–7 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Pat your face dry, and moisturize, if needed.